friends, welcome to CEC Gurukul Live Lectures. Dear friends, this is our another session on career counseling called Pratibha Samvardhan, and today we are here for you with another interesting topic. We know that you are always anxious to know about different fields, different areas where you can make your career, where you can have a bright and successful career. Dear friends, our topic of discussion for today is careers or the scope in the area of computer sciences. Friends, for this discussion, we have with us in our studios Dr. Prakash Kupuswamy. Dr. Prakash Kupuswamy is a professor in the Department of Engineering and Computer Sciences, SRM University. He has immensely contributed in the area of academics since 25 years. He is making a way for the students who want to have a beautiful career, successful career in the area of computer sciences. Friends, he has contributed number of articles, and number of his articles have been published in reputed international and national journals. So let's welcome our guest, Dr. Prakash Kupuswamy, and let's try to understand what is there for you in store if you are a student of computer science or if you are planning to be in the area of the computer sciences. So we would like to welcome our guest, Dr. Prakash Kupuswamy, once again. Hello, sir. Welcome to the lecture.
Welcome, madam. Nice to meet you.
So with the advent of technology, the world is changing and our way of thinking is also changing. There were times when we only relied on the traditional careers. If you go back 20 years and the engineering, this field was emerging, but we had limited branches. But now if we see today, we see ourselves now, we have immense scope and immense fields are waiting for us to reach out. So what is your say, how computer sciences or this particular area is going to change the world specifically for the people who are looking for employability?
Right, as you said, that is really that the computer science field, it is taking that go ahead actually. That is almost, we can say that is, as you said earlier, that the traditional engineering educationals are entirely different. Now the field of all the including that is mechanical and electrical, electronic also, they are taking the part of that computer science student, then they are adding the advantages. So it will carry on that next move to the student, and it will enhance that computer science based all the things. So we can say that is a future. Definitely without the computers subject, it is not possible to go ahead. So that is the case. So here we have that that is especially for computer science based some of that techniques. When you can see to that here, that slides the security 360-degree, there are tremendous opportunities are there actually, including that is computer science. It is providing that is network based, artificial intelligence based, data security. In addition to that, actually, that is we can say that is data analytics. So lot of things are there actually. So this is providing the lot of job opportunity that can be carried over to that almost all, not only the computer science student, that all engineering students. Say for example, if any one students are taking that example of a mechanical engineer, so he are unable to complete that any computer science. Now what they are doing actually, even if they are taking the mechanical engineer or electrical electronics, after that 1 year course they are taking actually, example for cyber security, 1 year short term courses, or we can say that is a data science based courses. These courses are offered by that other we can say that is Canada, Australia, the short term courses are there. So this opportunity they are getting, based on that they are getting the more employment opportunities. So that's why we can say that is a computer science, we have the widened technology, as well as it is providing that opportunity for that, not only for the computer science student, it is providing the service to that mechanical as well as that electronics, including the civil engineering also they are taking, and they are part of that studying that is computer science based science, they are enhancing. So this is the trend is going on actually. So nowadays that young generation, they are not bothering about what they are in. After that one UG degree, so they are choosing that data science based courses or data analytics, or we can say that cyber security based courses they are selecting as well.
So these are the modern trends which would definitely help the students in choosing whatever field they want to be in. Now, sir, the question is, we have different sets of students, and different sets of students have different set of minds also. As in when we pass our 12th, we have this dire need to be in IITs or in the top reputed institutions. Now the question is, but the students who wants to be in the engineering field or computer sciences field, they feel so, let's be in, let's adopt certain college, let's adopt certain course, and definitely we'll find a way. For those students, what idea you would like to instill?
So definitely we are now sure about, actually we cannot, especially that the government side, we cannot fulfill all the what we can say, that is the student expectation. The student expectation they cannot fulfill, because we know that actually IIT, NIIT, they have the only limited number of the seats. So definitely other student, they used to prefer the other, we can say, that is aided college, or we can say the private type of the college only. That is a possible to say. Nowadays almost private college, aided college, now they are giving that lot of opportunity. And in addition to that, based on the what we can say, that is based on the industrial expectation, they are changing their curriculum every year, academic based actually. Say for example, that is few years back, there is no data science, there is no cyber security, including that we can say that is data science based, ML based, artificial intelligence, there is no such a type of courses. Now the students, especially industrial expectation, based on that the curriculums are designed by that autonomous university, or we can say that is independent university, they are designing. So this opportunity, most of the students they can utilize. Apart from that, those who are unable to get the seat in that NIIT, IIT or some other reputed institution, other universities are providing. And one advice I am going to say to the student, actually, where you are studying, it is not important actually. How you are studying, that is the very important actually. So wherever you are doing, you can join, but how you are going to enhance your skill and how you are applying it, because at the end of that your course, at the end of the year, that you have to performing your performance in front of the HR, that means we can say the placement cell. How you are going to perform in front of the HR, what knowledge you are gain, that is very important. So whenever or wherever you are going to gain the knowledge, just understand the concept, try to apply, and just you can present in front of that, we can say the HR, definitely you will get the good opportunities, there is no doubt about it.
Undoubtedly, one has to work, and one has to prove his mettle, prove that he is or she is the best amongst all.
Really.
Now, sir, question is, sometimes when we do engineering or a computer sciences courses from a particular college, and afterwards we feel that we need to do some advanced course. So, are there any advanced courses available so that the students who were not able to grab that most from their courses during the graduation courses or the post graduation courses, they can get the maximum through the diploma or advanced courses? Are there any courses available?
Yes, nowadays actually that lot of courses are there. Say for example, once the students are going for that technical side for networking based, they can choose that Cisco packet, CCNA, CCNP, so that will enhance his skill. And if they want to security based, they can choose the cyber security. When they want to take that analytics of data science, they can take the data analytics or data science based courses. And machine learning or programming and Python programming, it is enhancing their skill, they can take. But nowadays actually most of that we can say that the competitions are more high trend actually now, including the private university and government institution. That's why I already told, actually each and every universities, especially every year, frequently they are updating their curriculum. Depends upon that what the industrial expectation, based on that they are actually updating. In addition to that, you can see here that IT related scope, there are plenty of opportunities are there in the IT related scopes. Especially that when you are talking about the percentage base, almost IT related scopes are occupying the plenty of percentage. So in the future we can say, there is no doubt about, without that computer knowledge we cannot, even that when we can say the simple billing, hotel billing, definitely definitely they need to know about that, how to operate the computer knowledge. That is very important. So that's why I am saying actually IT related. Say for example, in addition to that, especially the branches of artificial intelligence. So in the artificial intelligence, it is providing the different segment actually the opportunities. One is we can say the machine learning based, that is we know that actually. Then deep learning and neural network based opportunities are there, and natural NLP, we can say NLP, the natural language processing. That is we know that we are nowadays very familiar with the chat GPT. Suppose nowadays the students are not ready to write any we can say document, just what they are doing actually they are typing the heading, automatically their natural language chat GPT it is producing that is. So that is the type of the communication that can be produced. I am saying actually the artificial intelligence it is involving to produce the document. So this production made by the student actually, chat GPTs we can make it, especially if you know the very familiar about that is deep learning natural languaging process, you can make it, that is not a problem. In addition to that, expert systems and fuzzy logic and robotics, we know that actually robotics we can say that is mechanical student also they can involve in the robotics. In addition to that is computer visions and cognitive computing. So these are the branches of artificial intelligence. It is providing the lot of opportunities to do the service. Now I want to add this, that artificial intelligence almost it is surveying 30-40 years, it is there is no doubt about. But when it is booming that artificial intelligence, that is the question actually. Even that artificial intelligence courses are, or we can say the study always there in that, almost from that 1980s 1970s also artificial intelligence, but booming of the artificial intelligence after we can say the pandemic period only, that I can say. So here that we can say another examples of that is artificial intelligence, how we are going to that, what are the branches it can be helped.
Now, as you have discussed in detail about how artificial intelligence is and going to change our lives, in the same manner, now if we talk about different things, different perspectives of life and the usage of AI there, that is artificial intelligence there. Now the question arises, if anyone, anywhere, from any of the fields wish to be the part of AI or want to learn AI, would it be possible for that person? Because for example, if the person is in the pharmaceuticals area and he or she wants to take advantage of AI, so how it can be possible for that person that being in a pharmaceutical industry, he can adopt AI and make his learning advantageous?
Right, you are right, madam. Actually, all the jobs it is not possible to do by that single person, right? Say for example, we can give that many example. In any systems, there should be some hierarchical. So that we can work with the collaborative manner. That is the only possibility. If that pharmaceutical persons or we can say the pharmacist, we can say the pharmacist, definitely he can take the help from that. Those who know the well versed in the artificial intelligence, how they can utilize, because artificial intelligence especially the techniques, it can be used by that we can say design with the help of the some programming only. That is only we can artificial, it is not a we can send mechanically we cannot design. It is a program coding, just we have to give the samples and train the samples. After verification of the training of the samples, if we are getting the feasible result, then we can apply. That is the case actually. So this model training always it is required. So this model can be done by that only, that is those who are well versed in that we can say the programming side, or technically we can say artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, this concept, those who know well versed that can do. These pharmacists, they can take the help along with the collaboration with that, it is a only possibility. So it is not possible to the pharmacist, he can study all the things, it is not possible. Maybe he will get the gain the knowledge how to utilize the proper person involved in the medical, or we can say any other field actually. It is the only way. We cannot say that is because he has to do that. When we can say that a physician, medical doctor, he is doing his duty, but he is not unable to identify that what is that combination of the chemistry to identify the tablet or other things. The pharmacist doing that combination of the chemical, they identify what is the tablet in. Only that physicians are referring what the tablet is required or what the medicines is required. this medicine created by the pharmacist. Similarly, the pharmacist just definitely you want to utilize something, this implement to that artificial intelligence, he has to take that those well versed in the programming side, the artificial based deep learning, or we can say machine learning based, they can do. There is a, we can say it is now artificial intelligence is not a single things actually. There is a plenty of algorithms are there. In the each and the plenty of algorithm, there is a different models are there. So each and every model, even as be frankly I am saying actually, even I cannot explore all the machine learning algorithm, or we can say different models. It is not possible as a, we can say single person, it is not to enhance all the technicals, all the algorithm, all the we can say term wise we can say the machine learning or deep learning things.
One can take advantage of that particular application, but that particular application will be made or programmed by someone who has this expertise in the field or who is from the computer sciences department. That is the crux of this story. Now the question is, because we are, as you yourself said, that AI is being used and will be used in the different areas, can we have a curriculum in future, or maybe we are having right now that in whatever fields we are, we have certain papers or semesters or examination, for example in AI, so that whenever I came across with it, applications of AI, it would be easier for me as being a student to understand what is going around.
Right, your question also actually valid. See, our curriculum, actually Indian curriculum, we can say they based on that almost we can say the theoretical based. Once if you are getting that we can say undergraduate UG degree, definitely it is not that UG degree alone is not sufficient to get the good job actually. You are getting the most of the universities are providing that placement. But in what level, that is the question is what level, how much percentage is, that is very important. Because our education systems actually most of that papers we can say the theoretical based. So we cannot, we are not applying that all the things in the practicals. So almost we can say I have served in some other country also, almost 20 years actually, that is other countries including that that African countries and Middle East and somewhere here. So in this, in there actually what the education system, each and every paper there should be some practical hours. That is definitely they are implementing. Even that is all 5 subject, definitely 4 practicals definitely will be there. Maybe there is some exceptional case, 1 or 2 basic, maybe we can say their own language or mathematics, that we can say that that is excluded. But apart from, if you are each and every semester, if you are designing the 4 or 5 subject, definitely 4 subject it includes the practicals. So they are enhancing the skill, instead of they are giving the preference, instead of theoretical oriented, they are giving the preference to that practical oriented. So that is we can say that is they are getting the good opportunity, and they are expressing their skill in different sector, and they are gaining, that is. So here we can say most of that educational systems are only we can say the theoretical based. So definitely it is not enough. Once if they get that is post graduation options, there is a possibilities or they can enhance the skills. So undergraduate is alone is not fulfill all the things. Here what I understand actually.
Now the question is, sir, because we are discussing the computer sciences scope in detail, how important it is for one to do internships, and how many internships are required, or how important is to choose an internship?
Yes, internship program also definitely it will increase the student skill actually. It is giving there is no doubt about. Especially most of that private institutions, or we can say the universities, the final year fully they are internship, or 3rd year onwards they are giving that internship. The first year definitely it is not possible, because the first year they should understand the basic courses, because once after completing that higher secondary level, they are entering in that scenario of that college. So first they have to understand the system of the college, because we know that actually the school system is entirely different and the college system is entirely different. So first year it is not possible to get the internship program. So after that first year, that basic and also we can say that first year programs or first year papers, or we can say BE or BTech or whatever that is engineering courses, all it is almost all the common papers only. Then after that second year they are diverting to that specialization. Say for example, once he has chosen the mechanical, he can go for the mechanical branch the third semester onwards, and electrical and electronics similar, and computer science like that. So after that computer science is giving that second year, then third years is going for the specialization. That is called, we can say, data science based specialization, IoT based specialization, and we can say that is cyber security based specialization. So this, so after the internship, when he chosen that at the end of the third year the internship program, then he already gained the knowledge first year, second year, third year. Then this third year knowledge he can implement in the fourth year. So whatever the skill he gained, that fourth year he can express what he gained. Then that is the time to express his skill, and we can say measuring his own skill. That if he will implement that, we can say that is a scope of the things. So the internship, when the students are choosing that third year or fourth year, if they are ready to apply for their skill, they can go for that fourth year. Otherwise, if they have the more knowledge, we can say all the student, we cannot say that is not possible. Only the few percentage, if they have the enough skill, they can go beginning of the third year itself, they can go for that internship.
Definitely, and there is a lot more to learn from you as the students who are watching us right now through the live channel of ours, as well as would be watching us through our YouTube, would be thinking that how much, how and to what extent we could extract from you, as it is a resourceful as well as insightful session. Dear friends, we believe that you might have gathered a lot, and if you have any suggestions, queries, you may write to us at cecgurukul.live@gmail.com. We are going to give you more information. Keep watching us. Thank you.